Have you ever wondered how hackers, cyber investigators, or even private detectives can track down the location and details of a phone number in just a matter of minutes? It might sound like something out of a spy movie, but the reality is, this process is surprisingly accessible to anyone with the right knowledge and tools. There's no dark magic or secret government access involved, just the clever use of free open-source intelligence tools, commonly known as OSINT. These tools are available to the public and can be used by anyone with an internet connection and a bit of curiosity. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 15 incredibly powerful tools that can help you trace any phone number, dig up hidden details, and even connect the dots between seemingly unrelated pieces of information. You'll see how professionals use these resources to uncover names, locations, social media profiles, and much more, all starting from just a single phone number. But before we dive in, a quick but important note. Everything I'm about to show you is strictly for educational and ethical use only. Always respect privacy, follow the law, and use these techniques responsibly to protect yourself and others, not to invade someone's privacy or break the law. So are you ready to see what's possible with just a burner number and some free tools? Let's jump in and uncover the secrets that even the pros use, starting right now. First up, let's talk about the classic, Truecaller. If you've ever wondered who's behind an unknown number, this app is probably the first tool that comes to mind. It's been around for years and has built a reputation as the original go-to caller ID solution for millions of users worldwide. What makes Truecaller so powerful is its massive crowdsourced database. Every time someone uses the app, it helps build a global directory of phone numbers, making it incredibly effective for instant caller identification. Whether you're getting calls from local numbers or international ones, Truecaller often has the answer. Just enter a phone number, and within seconds, you'll see the name associated with it, a possible location, and sometimes even a profile picture. This can be a game changer when you're trying to figure out who's calling or texting you out of the blue. But Truecaller isn't just about identifying callers. It also acts as a shield against unwanted calls. The app flags known spam and scam numbers, giving you an instant threat assessment before you even pick up the phone. This feature alone can save you from countless robocalls and potential scams. For investigators, journalists, or anyone doing a bit of digital sleuthing, Truecaller is your first line of defense. Before you start digging deeper, always run the number through Truecaller to get the basics: who owns it, where it's registered, and if it's been reported as suspicious. We'll start by inputting our burner number. Instantly we can see the carrier, the general city location, and sometimes even more details, all without tipping off the person on the other end. It's simple, fast, and absolutely essential for any investigation or background check. Truecaller streamlines the process, saving you time and effort. Now that we've covered the basics with Truecaller, let's move on and see what social media platforms can reveal about our target. Sometimes the real story is just a few clicks away. Tool2sync.me. This is not just any tool. It's a bridge between your phone and the vast world of social media. This one links phone numbers to social media profiles: Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and more. Imagine having the ability to connect a simple phone number to a person's entire online presence. The real power: profile pictures. These images are more than just pixels. They are gateways to understanding who is behind the number. Suddenly, that unknown number has a face. It's like unveiling a mystery, turning a stranger into someone familiar. You can use that image for reverse searches later. This means you can dig deeper, uncovering more about the person with just a click. Let's run our number. If there's a match, you'll see their name, photo, and social links. It's like having a digital detective at your fingertips. It's a huge leap from just a name to a full digital footprint. You can explore their interests, connections, and more. Each tool adds a new layer to the picture. With every click, you build a more comprehensive view of the person. But what if you need results instantly, no logins? That's next. Stay tuned as we explore tools that offer immediate insights without the hassle of logging in. Tool 3, NumLookup. Pure speed, no apps, no accounts, just paste the number and get instant results. It gives you the owner's name, if public, carrier, and location. Not as deep as sync.me or Truecaller, but perfect for a quick check. Let's try our burner. 3 seconds and we've got carrier and area. Great for verifying if a number is local or a potential scam. Fast, efficient, and perfect for triage. Now let's see how the community can help spot scams. Tool 4, CallerSmart. It's a community-powered scam detector. Think Neighborhood Watch for your phone. Users report spam, robocalls, and scams in real time. Look up a number and see threat levels and user comments instantly. Before clicking a suspicious link, check CallerSmart. If it's flagged, block it. It's proactive protection, leveraging collective experience, adds a reputation layer to your investigation. Now let's revisit a classic, the original online phone book. Tool 5 Whitepages, the OG of public records, connecting numbers to names, addresses, and carriers. Great for verifying info or finding a physical address, something most free tools can't do. If a scammer claims one city but Whitepages says another, that's a red flag. The free version confirms carrier and city, bridging digital and physical worlds. It's a simple but powerful lie detector. Next, let's go ultra minimalist. Tool 6, reversephonylookup.com. No frills, just a search bar and results. Enter a number, get name, carrier, and location from public records. Clean, fast, and distraction-free, perfect for quick checks. Use it to cross-reference with Whitepages for accuracy. Multiple sources mean better results. Now let's use a platform you already have. Facebook. Tool 7, Facebook search bar. Paste a phone number. If privacy settings allow, you'll find their profile. This can reveal names, photos, friends, and more, a goldmine for investigators. Check your own settings to protect your privacy. Even if direct search is less effective now, old data and breaches still link numbers to profiles. Always worth a try for a quick win. Next, let's check WhatsApp for instant ID. Tool 8, WhatsApp. Save the number as a contact, then check WhatsApp. If they use it, you'll see their profile pic and status. Instant visual confirmation plus a name. Screenshot the photo for reverse image searches. It's discreet, fast, and leverages everyday apps. Shows how much info we share without realizing. We've used Facebook and WhatsApp. Now let's get advanced with Telegram bots. Here's where things get interesting. Tool 9, Telegram bots. Search for phone lookup bot or OSINT bot in Telegram. These bots scrape data from social media, breaches, and more, sometimes revealing linked accounts and usernames. Caution, not all bots are safe or accurate. Never share personal info. For investigators, they can uncover hidden connections. It's the Wild West, but sometimes you find gold. Now let's go pro with a deep search engine. Tool 10 Pipl, a professional-grade identity engine that connects phone numbers to usernames, emails, and social profiles. The free search gives you a taste, deep connections, not just direct matches. It's designed to find the person behind the digital footprint, even if they're trying to hide. For established numbers, it can uncover a web of data. It's a goldmine for investigators. Next, the US data king Spokeo. Tool 11 Spokeo specializes in US public records, property, court, social media, and more. Even the free teaser confirms city, state, and carrier. Shows how much public data is out there, offline and online. Great for building a real-world profile. Now let's see another heavy hitter, BeenVerified. Tool 12, BeenVerified. Like Spokeo, but with a super user-friendly interface, scans billions of data points, criminal records, vehicles, social media, and more. Free search confirms basics and hints at what else is available. Think of it as a private investigator in a box. Even limited info can point you in the right direction, but what if you want more for free? That's next. Tool 13, That's Them. Known for giving away more info for free than most, sometimes full name, address, even email. The killer feature, possible relatives or associates giving you new leads. Great for expanding your search and finding hidden networks. Run your number and see what pops up. It's a must-have in your OSINT toolkit. Now let's get professional with LinkedIn. Tool 14 LinkedIn. Paste a number in the search bar. If it's linked, you'll find their professional profile. See job history, education, and connections. Perfect for business investigations. People often forget to lock down privacy here. Every social platform is a potential OSINT tool if you know how to use it. Now, the ultimate arsenal, OSINT Combine. Tool 15. OSINT combines phone tools. A dashboard of free tools curated by investigators. Enter a number and get custom links for Google, Facebook, WhatsApp, public records, and more. It automates your workflow, 10 custom searches in seconds. Like having a senior investigator guide you step by step. It's the ultimate force multiplier. Efficient, systematic, and free. This is what the pros use to tie everything together. Now let's wrap up with a final word of caution. That's 15 free OSINT tools to trace any number. Fast, deep, and powerful. Use them together, cross-reference, and always stay ethical. These tools are for protection, research, and verification. Never misuse them. Your digital footprint is bigger than you think. Now you know how to find it. If you found this useful, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Use these powers wisely. They're your best investigative allies.